Hello students, we are again here with you to discuss one more topic, and the topic for the day is very important for the beginners of Python because this topic is concerned or faced by all the programmer during their programming in the beginning of the language. So first of all, I describe you, I want to meet with you that what is the topic. The topic for the day is about the bugs in the program, and then how we can rectify these bugs or these errors. Bugs means kind of error which are faced by the programmer during its programming time. So an operation to find out the bugs and rectify all these bugs are known as debug. So debug means a kind of mistakes while writing a program, and hence the program may not execute or may generate wrong in output. The process of identifying and removing such mistakes, also known as bugs or error from a program, is called debugging. Errors occurs in the program can be categorized under three subcategories. First one is syntax error, second one is logical error, and third one is runtime error. First of all, we will discuss about the syntax error. Means, as its name suggests, syntax error means the kind of error which is faced by the programmer or which is done by the programmer unknowingly. अनजाने में यदि कोई गलती प्रोग्रामिंग करते हुए करता है तो उस तरह की एरर को हम बोलेंगे सिंटैक्स एरर. दिस इज द एरर फेस्ड बाय द मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्रामर. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज आई हैव टू वेरिएबल a and b and I want to print the value of a. For the same, I just write down print a and print b. Then I execute the program for you. When we execute the program, a message will be displayed which is showing an error. And which type of error is it? It is showing that it is syntax error. Syntax error, why it occurs? Due to the missing of parenthesis in call to print. In which line this error is? This error is in line number 3. What is the error? Here a is not enclosed into the parenthesis. If we write parenthesis both side of a and both side of b, then the errors are rectified. Now again I will execute the program and the result will be displayed here. Means this is the error which is faced due to the use of parenthesis in the program. Means a syntax error is there, so it is known as a syntax error. Sometime here if I declare it as this one or this one, at the time it will also face the error. Sorry, here I have write down 5b, then I will face a error. This is also called syntax error because an invalid syntax is declared in line 2. So we will rectify this error and then program will be executed successfully. In the second type of error, we have a logical error. As its name suggests, logical means a kind of methods error or formula error. A logical error is a bug in the program that causes it to behave incorrectly. A logical error produces an undesired output. Means a program is executed successfully, but the result which is produced by the programmer after the execution is not as per the expectation of the user. Such type of error is known as logical error. Suppose I have a program where I want to get the average of two number, and here I will write down as print a plus b divided by 2. If I do the same, then the result will be declared here, means the average is 108 by 2, means now here as per the program the output will be as 8 842 842 144, means 77 is there, but the output is displayed 108, means this is the error which is found due to the use of incorrect type of method. If I use it as like this one, then the result will be changed like this one. Now result is 66, which is correct, but if I use the same by removing the parenthesis, then the result will change. Such type of error is known as logical error. Next, third, we have a runtime error. A runtime error are such type of error which is like the logical error, but the difference is that runtime errors causes abnormal termination of a program while it is executed. Runtime error is when the statement is correct but the interpreter cannot execute it. Runtime error do not appear until after the program start running or executing. Suppose I have a program, and here in the program the value of b is 0, and I want to calculate a divided by b. At the same time, if I execute the program, an error will be there. Error is that 0 division error. Division by 0 means a operand cannot be divided by 0, so it may an error. It may occur an error. Such type of error is runtime error. Now we have some examples concerned to errors which will be discussed in the program one by one. How these errors are occurs and how we can remove this type of error we will discuss in this lesson. First of all, we have a runtime error which we have already covered. Second, we have sometimes we face an error which is known as index error. Index error means, as we have already covered the concept of list, in which we have created a list like list, list 1 equal to I have 1, 2, 3 and 4, means 4 elements are there, and I want to get the output of index 4. At that time, if I execute the program, a error will be there, and type error means type object. Here, if I got it, the same will be displayed, or an error will be there due to the execution of the error. Here in the above program, when I am executing the same list 1, list 1, when I execute the same, an error is there. It is showing index error, list index out of range, because as we know that in a list there is basically two type of indexing, forward indexing and backward indexing. Forward indexing start from 0 and end with its size minus 1. Now the length of this list is 4, and the indexing may be from 0 to 3, but I have used the index 4 which is not there in list 1, so it will produce an error. If I use 3 instead of 4, then a result will be displayed here, and so this is the kind of error. Next we have an error. Sometimes or most of the time when we are using any functions in the program, for the same we have the requirement to import any library into the functions. Sometimes we import a whole library, like I want to use the mathematical functions. For the same I just write down import math, and then I use a function. Suppose a is a variable with value 25 and b equal to math dot sqrt a, then I want to print the method print b. Output will be displayed here. But if I want to get the cube for the same, and here I write down as from math import cube, means from here, from the library math, I want to import one function, one mathematical function which is named as cube. If I execute the same, then an error will be there, because import error क्या है, cannot import name cube from math, means cube function is not there into the library math. If I write down any other function like this one which is contained in the library, no error will be there. Sorry, name error, name math is not defined, math is not defined. Yes, it will produce an error, means such type of error. We just write down import math, it will access all the functions concerned to mathematics, so we can execute the same and the result will be there. Again we have an error which is known as module not found error. Module not found error means sometimes we create a module or we want to insert a module which is already defined into the program. Suppose instead of library I am importing a module here named anyone like not module into my program, means import not a module, or then not a module. If I execute the same, error will be there, module not found error, no module named not module. So such type of error are there due to the non availability of that module. Then we have a key error. Key error means suppose in a dictionary I am working with a dictionary called dict 1 equal to 1 colon January to February 3 March 4 April, and then in the same example I want to call out the value of dictionaries or a key from the dictionary named as 4. When I execute the same, it is showing that 4 6 then it will show an error that a key error 6, means the key 6 is not present into the dictionary. So such type of error is known as dict error or key error is known. After that, we have another type of error which is known as stop iteration is known. So stop iteration means iteration is there by we can use by using loop, or we can say that when we are using a loop, at that time we face such type of error which is known as stop iteration is thrown when the next function goes beyond the iterator item. Stop iteration. Suppose I have a program here with like here, and I have a variable it equal to iteration, we can also write it iter. Then we will give you a value like iter, then I have 1 2 3 and 4. And for the same, if I have write down here as next it, next it, then execute the program, print next it, result will be there 1. If I execute the same program one by one or one by one, then at last it will face the error print next it, then again print next it, print next it, means it will print 1 2 3 4 here, next 1 2 3 4. But if I use the same formula or same function again, then it will show an error because the value in the list is up to 4. When I repeat the same, at that time it will show an error which is known as stop iteration error, which is known as a stop iteration error. After that we have a type error. Type error means suppose you want to calculate the value of two numbers, like here we have a variable a which is equal to 3 and b equal to string 3, and here I want to get the sum of a plus b. At the time it will produce an error when we execute the program, because type error unsupported operand type for plus int and string, because this is the integer type value and this is the string type value, because I have enclosed this value into the column. So this is called type error. After that we have another type of error which is known as value error. Value error is thrown when a function's argument is of an inappropriate type, means value error. Suppose we have a variable int. Suppose I have a value this one and I want to get this one. When I execute this statement, then it will show value error, invalid literal for int with base 10, means here if I define 10 or 12, then no error will be there, otherwise it will produce error. If I pass n string into the int function. This is called a value error. After that we have name error. Name error means name error is thrown when an object could not be found. Suppose here I have a variable, suppose here I have a variable a equal to 45, and then I want to print the value of b. When I execute the same, at that time a name error is thrown because b is not defined into the program and I want to print the value of b. So this error is produced and it is shown as name error. Name b is not defined, means we can say that if we use a variable name without it defining, then it's known as a name error. After that we have so many type of errors we can face during the programming, but all these errors are categorized into three main categories only. This is syntax error, then runtime error, and then logical error. So all user must use a syntax in proper type, and also able to know about all the functions into the program. Then you will be able to do a good programming and you didn't have any problem in the programming. Hope you have got all the points and you will be able to make a good programming, and this is very beneficial for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.